Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to share you how I have grown a big grape tree or grape plant in a bucket. This is a 80-liter plastic bucket. I bought it in 10 pound from a supermarket, and you can see this plant is really growing happy. I kept it here more than 2 years now. The base is clean. I did some mulching to retain the moisture because it's always a problem like when you grow plant in a bucket the water it's quickly dried out, so I kept some mulch to reduce the water evaporation, and the plant looks healthy. I did pruning time to time. You can see a lot of pruning branches and lot of side shoots come up, and you can see flowers in every bud. So as you know, in case you don't know, the grape plants come flowers from last year vine. So if you see, this is my last year vine, and from there the shoots come out and the flowers are here. So I'm going to trim this further, reduce some of the side shoots to encourage bigger fruit, because that's important. If you don't pinch or trim or prune the plant, your fruits will be smaller. You need to feed them regularly. I generally use in the growing season the balanced all-purpose fertilizer and sometimes organic fertilizer as well. You see some organic matters already here, and also like when the flower is going to come a bit more, I'll use the tomato feed that encourages more fruits and flower or bigger fruit. And yeah, that's really it. Next year I'm going to prune it a bit hard, because the plants, you can see, it's been getting thicker every year by year, and that really helps the more grapes to have it. Hope this will help. If it does, please give a thumbs up in the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Passionate Gardener, if you like gardening, if you have passion about gardening. Until the next video, thank you very much for watching. Happy gardening, Passionate Gardener. Bye bye.